Hi guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to save ChatGPT conversation step-by-step guide. So let's go to the browser first. Open a new tab and right here save GPT extension. Now you can see the first option save GPT extension. Click on this and you'll find here this option. You have to click on this again and click add to extension or add extension. And you can see that your extension has been added. Now you have to click on this extension option. You can see at the cursor, right? Click on these extensions and you have to pin the extension here. You'll find it the chat GPT save GPT. Click on pin and your chat GPT extension has been pinned here. Now open a new tab and log into your chat GPT account. After logging to your chat GPT account, you can talk to your chat GPT account, write anything and it will answer like this. Okay. So if you want to now save this conversation, you have to click on this save ChatGPT and you'll find here four options: text, PDF and HTML or anything. I'm clicking on PDF one. Now you have to click on save and you have to pick a destination. Click on this and your conversation has been saved as PDF. If you want to check, you can go to your location. Here you can see that the PDF has been saved here. This is how you can save ChatGPT conversation. Guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.